What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the garage. Today we are going to be swapping out the cabin filter in this 2010 Jetta here. This is going to work on lots of Volkswagens, Audis, Seat, Skodas. As said on the cabin filter here, that's what it's applicable for. Process is pretty simple. It's just under the passenger footwell. So we got to get in there, get the old filter out, get the new filter in, and we will get this often overlooked maintenance issue resolved. A lot of people don't do this and it gets really clogged up and a lot of dirt in there. So have a vacuum handy and we will get this cabin filter swapped out. So you can see up in here under the dash, you might have a panel here. Just pull that panel out. There'll be a couple tabs going around it. Pop those down. You can remove the whole panel, more like a carpety felt type material. And then back here, you'll have a long rectangular thing more towards the recessed portion where the passenger's feet go. That is where your cabin filter is. So there's just a slide tab on there. So obviously the first thing we need to do is get access to that. And once you have access to that, you can reach under and there's a little tab right here on that panel. You can slide it towards the outside of the vehicle. Then that whole panel comes off. You can see all these hooks here. You just slide it out and then release the panel. And then up in there is your cabin filter. And as you can see, you are definitely going to want to have a vacuum handy for this because you're going to make quite the mess depending on how long this filter has been in there. But this is catching everything and keeping it from coming in through your AC vents. So pull that one out and then you're ready to slide the new one in. So we've got the new panel here. This is the new filter. You can see this one has an angled portion and that goes in just the same way as you pulled the old one out. So the angled portion goes to the outside of the vehicle. The flat side goes towards the center console. And then you can see on the bottom here, it's got these slots that line up with the grooves on your panel here that you pulled out, the locking plate. You can just slide the new one in. If you have any debris or anything that's stuck up in there, some leaves or anything, you can just pull them out. Slide the new one in once you get it lined up because it's hard to see. And then with the new one slid in, you've got your panel here. These hooks are gonna point towards the center of the vehicle. So just have them facing that way. Then you can line up the hooks, make sure they all slide into the filter, and then push it up, slide it in, make sure it's locked in place, and you're all set. So you've got the old filter out, you've got the new filter in, and with that, all we have left is to vacuum up all the debris that fell out. Out with the old and in with the new. That couldn't be any easier of a project to do on your own. Cabin filters are pretty cheap and they should be changed out pretty regularly, as often as you do your air filter, or even just bundle it in with doing your oil change. It's something that gets overlooked quite often and those get pretty nasty in there. So get some fresh, clean air into your cabin. And I hope this video helped you out. Pretty simple. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how I did. Let me know what else you want to see. Hope you enjoyed the video and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And as always, I will see you in the next one.